Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a fire truck by using the shapes rectangle, circle and lines. Come, let's start. First draw a sleeping line, standing line, slanted line and again draw standing line. Now draw 4 circles for the tire. Now draw a rectangle shape and draw a sleeping line inside the rectangle. Then draw another rectangle by using sleeping and standing lines. Inside the rectangle, draw 4 circles. Now draw windows by using squares and trapezoid shapes. Draw a rectangle. Inside the rectangle, draw 2 squares and below that, draw 3 circles in 2 rows. Now draw 3 rectangles and draw an oval on each rectangle. Now draw a semicircle on top of each tire. Now draw lights by using an oval and small square. Draw big sleeping oval. Now draw 2 sets of parallel lines for ladder. And draw crossed lines for steps. Draw a sleeping line that should touch the tire. Let's start coloring. Red color. Grey color. Yellow color. Black color. Grey color. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a carom board. See you.